Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today it's Saturday and I made myself ready. Little skirt because my family is coming over to have teppanyaki. So this is my outfit. If you want to have a better look, I have a new top on. Then this skirt I have for so long. I think I bought it while I was in London, and I was in London around October. And it's the first time I'm wearing it, so I took the tag off. I'm wearing it now. Then I have like ankle socks with matching shoes. My hair I did like cute out of my face because this morning I did like the vegetables and I made everything ready and I didn't want my hair to get in the way. I have new jewelry on. I'm working with a brand on Instagram and I have new, I'll show you, new rings on. Focus. Yes, this one is like because I'm a Gemini, and then this I really like, and then I got new the middle earring. This one I had already, also same brand than this, and then a new necklace. So I'm feeling really cute and girly. So yeah, let's eat freaking lunch. Okay, I am back home. I ate lunch with the fam, and then after I went for a little walk outside. I went to the river and like did a long walk. I think I did like a 2-hour walk. Okay, while my hair is drying, I will go for a little power walk. Not something crazy because I need to be ready in an hour and a half. So I will go for a little power walk outside because the weather is amazing. And yeah, I will come back to you. Okay, plan changed. I'm still here. I didn't go for a power walk yet, but I was just going, and my brother wants to go to the market, so I will go with him, and then after I will do a little power walking if I have time.
like it.
Ja, kan.
We are back home after family barbecue. It's 8 and we will make dinner right now. I changed to comfies and let's get dinner ready. So we are preparing dinner right now. My mom's cooking on this plate for the first time. Wow! Cool, eh?
Yes, yes.
So fancy. And then we have guacamole, apple sauce, salad, pasta salad, veggies. Then here are mushrooms, and then we have leftover meat I cooked also from yesterday.
Wow.
Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. I forgot I had a date with my friend, so I need to be ready in 20 minutes. I will go for breakfast. I quickly showered. I'm doing my skincare now. I have my outfit on. I have short on, new shorts, low-waisted. I'm not used to it, but kind of cool. New top also, super cute with flowers. And now I'm packing my bag also, because after I will go sleep to my other friend. So I need to prepare everything and I have 20 minutes. Let's see how I will transfer this face into makeup face. After with just a little makeup, a bit mascara, a bit my eyebrows and some highlighter. Now I will leave. Yes, I needed to leave 2 minutes ago, so I will leave to my friend. I went back. My car is already at the end, but I went back home because I forgot to say bye bye to my babies, to be sure fragile. So I ran back and now I'm really off to my friend.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time.
I arrived at the Elsa's place. I put my bag here. She's back. She's done with the COVID.
Yeah!
Maar je bent zwart, wat? Ja, nu ben je.
Yeah!
And we will get ready now to go to the beach. We need to shoot some content for Instagram, and in the meantime we will stay there. So I will change now into my fit.
With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh.
Back home, showered, and now trying to upload the footage from the videos we filmed on the beach, but takes a long time. And the Elsa is doing macaroni,
Yes!
for later for her husband, and now I need to wait when this is finished. So yeah, this is the current update. And she made me iced tea, water, and a setup. Good morning. It's the next morning. I'm just back home and I drove home and look who's waiting for me. My baby. I'm not even home yet, like inside yet. I'm just chilling in the car with my baby. I will go for a workout. In 2 hours I'm leaving to Antwerp with my brothers, so I'm excited. But first unpack and do some workout.